Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Wrap Sessions. Today we are going to cover the session of 286 related to ALV inputs. So till now, with the recap beginning, we have done the introduction part, followed by architecture and dictionary set of discussion. Next, followed by programming basics. Then immediately complex data objects, then modularization techniques, some miscellaneous concepts well, like list screen, selection screen, open screen statements, enter program communication, reporting introduction, classical interactive reports, using the so the different class Okay, now we are into the ALV topic. ALV stands for ABAP list via classical and object-oriented ALV. So, it's what types of reports we about till now 9 reports are over. Okay. So started with basic ALV introduction. Advantages with respect to developers and users. Simple ALV listed grid. It is how it will display the total output. Whereas field catalog list and grid, which are used to print particular columns. Field catalog merge list and grid, that is two table columns. Event list and grid. Event list and grid is nothing but like for the same only we are going to print top of page event through heading. Even we use any comment rate completed, logo completed. Now last stop was block list. So this was the block list concept. So that too, yes, this is the block. So block list is nothing but it will display the output will be displayed in a block wise. Okay. So output will be displayed block wise. So block when we said block wise is nothing but in this you go to output, block list output, you you will get this. This is your uh, normal generic functions toolbar, application toolbar, special toolbar available only for ALU reporting. In this, you will find these two icons. This is to display the first block, this is to display the second block. You can navigate back to first block also. Like this. So block wise details can be displayed. So if you want to go to the second block, so this is your second. So exactly you take this, it will take you to the purchase block and second. Okay. So these two icons navigation is possible. Then going back. So under one layout, we can display the several block. Each block displays independent information. This is sales, this is purchase. So for that, what is required is obviously if you look at here, data printing internal table, field cat internal table, event internal table for each block. Correct? Yes. Okay. Three internal tables are required. Three internal tables required for each block. First, data printing internal table can be declared and populated using select statement. Okay. Second, field cat internal table can be built manually. Event internal table can be built manually. So layout must be declared. Okay. One, what is that? Work area can be declared. Only one work area can be declared for like can be declared with list underscore okay layout underscore ALV which which can be used so this is your layouts list underscore layout underscore ALV, right, which can be used to like what is the purpose like to produce the format is also under format. Several options are available under layout. Yes. And finally, accomplished of that, final output can be displayed by calling function modules in the following sequence. So first function module is call function, reuse underscore ALV underscore log underscore list underscore init. For initialization, we have to pass only callback program, nothing to do that. Second, call function, your reuse ALV block list append. Yes. Okay. So this function module must be, must be called that is it appends okay all the details all the details to each block. Okay. So what we have to do here is we have to pass data printing internal table, second event internal table, and finally under field cat internal table. All those, all the three. Okay. Block list. Finally, pass layout also. Here only we have to pass yes, layout, common layout for both blocks. Right. Then after call function, call and space function space, use ALV block list display. Reuse ALV block list. So it is used to display final output. That is the purpose of block. So if you go to here, so series block, purchase block declarations, and as well as internal tables of field catalog and event. Okay, then after okay, select queries both equipment and selected. Then column position field name reference table. Only the new thing is here while building event we are passing one table because these three are one internal table below three for another internal table. This way we can and the last one is event internal table, event for top of page. Okay, sales and purchase. Then go to block list, init for initialization. And then this final display. And so when for that, we must call initialize in the sequence. Yes. If you look at first initialization, nothing to pass only. Second, the block list to pass anything, just in between you can append to many multiple. So if you go to first block, append layout only this one. Table name should be single quote capital letters. Block list. Okay. So here tab name equals to internal table name must be typed within single quote capital letters. So it is to be appear at heading level. So you can so, so that the position and heading will be displayed. Okay. So this is one of the blocks, independent block wise display. So in case of blocks, grid output is not supported. Hierarchy and block only ALV list only supports this blocks and hierarchy also. If you go to SC37, okay, can find block list related function modules also. So reuse scope stuff block. Yes, these are all the block list related function modules. So block list append simple list in block mode. There is a data get data set. This to our internal use. SAP developer use it is not given. So block table. Block table is nothing but it's the display block table. In it for installation, like refresh and get also. So features append we will use later. Right. This is about your overall block list related discussion. Then, okay, we will move on to the next report. That is nothing but this is the 10th one. Okay, ALV hierarchical list. Okay, ALV, ALV hierarchical list. Right. When we said hierarchy means hierarchy meaning is means a tree structure. Tree means which can be expanded and which can be collapsed. Okay. Yes. Yes. This is the word we use it. So now, if you go to this, suppose this is your MS Windows. Here we have a plus minus used to display. This is your hierarchy. You can expand, collapse status, desktop, expand C drive, restructure. So now we will see this type of reports are already there. Control break reports we have already covered in the normal classic control break reports. So now we will go for this ALV hierarchical reports. Here, yes, demonstration. Demonstration is like we can go with okay customer wise sales report. So okay, so customer details it will be displayed as header level. Second, sales details will be displayed as term. Yes, yes. So overall 5 levels So, this one, okay, he can be there is a key info is there. We have to declare key info using sales underscore, okay, key info, right. Now we can pass header item details to key info. We can pass header item details to key, okay. That is about your overall, okay. Let's go for into demo program. Later we'll come back and explore. So block list is over. So go to SE38 executable program, CAVK underscore ALV underscore hierarchical list. So ALV hierarchical list. Okay. ALV hierarchical list. Click on create. So this is your ALV hierarchical list. So exportable program. Now we will discuss one by one. Okay. First, as usual, we go for declarations first. Declarations. So type one polls is this is observation. Then types colon begin of ty cust and end of ty cust. Then begin of ty score sales. So end of ty underscore sales. So these two are different internal types. So first go to cust. Here owner type A name అనుకున్నారు. Second line A name number. Then name. These three fields of first internal type, right? Then go to yes, sales. So Veblen type VBAK Veblen. But again you have to write Kunar here. This is only the VBAK. So then after that, like in VBAK, we have date created by created and created by both. So this is your ERDAT ERN. ERN type VPEK of ERN. So now data we have IT underscore cust type table of TY cust and work area cust type TY cust and IT underscore sales type table of TY underscore sales work area sales type is TY. So that is where okay customer and sales. Right. Then after we have to go to yes, two more internal tables data column 80 underscore field cat yes, 80 field cat type sys underscore t underscore field cat underscore ALV and work area field cat type sys underscore simply field cat underscore ALV. That's all. Then data column IT underscore that is your field cat. Now IT underscore event type sys underscore t underscore event, whereas work area event type sys underscore okay ALV event ALV event. So till all these things are all known to you, correct? Then two additional things data work area layout type sys underscore layout underscore ALV. This is our additional declaration. Data colon WA okay key info type sys underscore key info. So sys underscore key info is unknown. So now we will go there and search what is there for key info. Yes, sys underscore key info underscore ALV. Right. So sys underscore key info underscore ALV. Okay. So this is about your basic declarations. Then after we have to select hyphen options. Select hyphen options. Colon SO underscore for WA for WA customer. Yes. So for WA underscore sales hyphen webline. Okay. So this is all about your overall declarations. So cooler and webline. Go to text elements, selection text, to customer number and sales number. Activate. So this here you can give customer and here you can give sales. So over since what are the point selection. So now because first we go to start of selection because main start of selection. So on the start of selection select we have Kunar space number space name one. Kunar land one name one into table IT post from being given where Kunar NSO if study subasive equals to 0, you can use sort area by. So this is your basic first. So what is that IT underscore? This is customer details. Okay. Second, select a weblan Punar VRDAT VRNAM into table IT systems. Where plan N so if subas equals to 0, then you start these things. Okay. So this is your fundamental first. Right. Then after that, we have to go to data fetching is over. We have to build field catalog. So build field cat internal table. Only one field catalog. We have to build first like work area underscore fcat hyphen column underscore position equals to 1 work area fcat hyphen field name equals to work area fcat hyphen field name equals to first field name is Punar area fcat hyphen reference tab name equals to tab name equals to field work area name equals to it is our internal table name equals to 80 underscore first will so 80 here area here. So that is your first basic one. So similarly we have to copy and paste for so first this is your paste again. So go to two land one next to three name one. So column position one the field name is BBLN this table. T this so first three columns into level next three item. So this is VBUK sorry table name is VBUK field name is ERTAT then table go to the last one is this one ER this is your VBA IT score VB so 1 2 3 and 1 2 so that is your overall field cat. Next we are going to be build event internal table event internal. Okay, so we have to go to work area event hyphen name equals to okay top of page then next we have work area event hyphen form equals to some kind of some name heading so append work area event to IT event and clear work area event clear work area event. Okay. Now, uh, after that, design layout, work area, scroll icon, simply zebra equals to X. Yes, and call width optimize equal fix, etc. You can. Then after, you can go for pause P info. P info is nothing but so work area P info hyphen header 01 header 01 equals to cooler work area P info hyphen header 0 is to cooler. So this is about your overall P info. Right, we have done with everything. Then finally calling function modules. That is ultimate. This is the end of selection. Okay, has been. So first, you go to content, reuse underscore ALV underscore. Okay, you can call it as uh, yeah, SEQ. Yes, SEQ listed hierarchical sequential display. So this is your hierarchical sequential display. So if you look at what is mandatory here, okay, so you can remove this uh, commented lines, not required, Savasi and exceptions. So what is required is header table, item table is required. Importing this to are optional and as well as okay. Then after P info is must in name, header name, item name, structures if you want to confirm. Here that these three obviously but first we have to go to the callback program interface check is field catalog excluding sort filter then depart save variant then event exit. So remove on. Now if you look at here go to callback size CPR layout layout is the ultimate view here underscore layout Events. An event is nothing but here 80 for event. Next to table name. Enter table name is 80 first. Item table name is 80 sales. Okay. Key info is nothing but area underscore key info. Yes. Then after that, again 80 underscore step 80 underscore sales as item. So let us check. We get in hierarchical list. Yes. Okay. So sales document. Okay. So so what are the things? First, uh, property definition. There is form heading and form. Now here we have to go to yes. First we have one statement, then position. So customer wise sales report. So this is writing in one color. Second, so we have Kunal and one M1, Veblen ERDAT ER name. Kunal one name. So the table name. Okay. So this is about what output of the use ALV hierarchy display. So check if the output values that these column headings are not coming. Sales document is okay. Like followed by customer country name or change. Okay. Okay, let us check because we will go for sales also. I will check. Okay, and the rest of the explanation will continue in the next session.